In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively navigate and use Google's features and settings to enhance your Gmail experience. We'll be diving into a topic that I'm sure many of you have encountered, managing the Help Me Write feature in Gmail. This tool can be incredibly useful, providing suggestions and speeding up your email writing process. However, there are times when you might want to remove or temporarily disable it to streamline your setup or because it interrupts your workflow. First, let's get started by heading over to Google Search. Open your preferred web browser and type in the search query, "How to remove Help Me Write in Gmail." This step is essential because it will lead you to a broad array of guides and community discussions, allowing you to gather valuable information and explore different perspectives on handling this feature. Once you've executed the search, take a moment to review the results that Google presents. Typically, you'll find links to detailed articles on Google's support page, tech blogs, and user forums. These resources can offer various insights into dealing with the Help Me Write functionality, providing step-by-step instructions or even shortcuts that Google Search might not list explicitly. As you go through the search results, make sure you click on credible sources, those that are either from Google's official support sites or trusted tech websites. These platforms tend to offer the most up-to-date and accurate information. Moreover, forums or discussion boards such as Reddit, where users share personal experiences, may offer additional tips from real-life scenarios. After you've gathered enough information from your search, you can return to your Gmail settings. Open Gmail, and you'll find the gear icon in the top right corner of your inbox. Click on it to open the Quick Settings menu. Here, you have the opportunity to adjust various preferences to better suit your needs. For more detailed adjustments, click on See All Settings at the very top. In the settings, navigate to the General tab, usually the first one you'll encounter. Look carefully for Smart Compose, which encompasses features like Help Me Write. Depending on your preference, you can toggle it off or manage other associated settings. This adjustment allows you the discretion to compose emails without automatic assistance if you prefer your writing to be entirely manual. Finally, don't forget to scroll down, locate the Save Changes button, and click it. This ensures that all your adjustments take effect immediately. It's a simple yet often overlooked step that ensures the settings you've taken the time to configure remain active. By following these instructions, you should now have the control you need over the Help Me Write feature in Gmail, ensuring your workflow aligns perfectly with your personal or professional emailing style.